So if you're a Trading 212 user, you're likely to have got this email saying that ARK Invest are now on Trading 212, so you can access their ETFs. But unfortunately, there is a catch. So let's talk about it in this video. What's going on, guys? Irish Wealth here, back with another video. So today we're just going to talk about the ARK Invest ETFs becoming available on Trading 212. So if you're unsure about ARK and you haven't heard of them for some reason, they're just an investment management firm, and they've become really famous over just incredibly high percentage return rates. If we go back to the email here, you're looking at 150%, 157%, 100%, just in the past year alone, which is absolutely crazy. And they're very much a firm that's focused around disruptive innovation, robotics, automation, genomics and things like that. So really excited about the future of technology and disruption and things like that. So let's just do a little bit of a deep dive into a couple of their funds and see why I find them so interesting. So if we look at ARK Innovation ETF, which is ticker symbol ARKK, we'll just take a look here. It's interesting to actually look back a little bit further. So if we see 2017 there really took off, 87% returns. 2018 a little bit slower, then 2019 35.5% return, and then 2020 was obviously absolutely insane with 152% return. So you can see there, just over the last kind of 3-4 years, it's been absolutely incredible returns, killing the market average. So if we actually take a look at what kind of companies are in this ETF, you can see here again 152.5% return in the last year. So yeah, a lot of that will be down to Tesla and the growth Tesla has seen, which is obviously their number one holding as well. And then we've got company Square have really taken off as well in the last couple of years, absolutely exploding in the payment space. You've got companies like Teladoc, Zoom, Spotify, Shopify, all of these companies that are absolutely excelling in their own little niches of innovation. So I'm sure you can imagine when I got the email, I got quite excited about this, as a lot of the companies that I'm invested in for my growth stocks portfolio are actually companies that ARK hold and invest in themselves as well. And for me personally, I think I'd much rather just invest in ARK's ETF rather than trying to handpick companies myself. You can see here their investment focuses are very much aligned with what I believe in the future as well. Artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, fintech is obviously an absolutely huge area for growth as well, especially in terms of cryptocurrencies as well, which the fund's founder Cathy Wood is massive behind as well. So fintech is huge. DNA sequencing is a very, very interesting side of things as well, with genomics and things like that, and robotics and 3D printing as well. So I was extremely excited about this when I saw the email and went straight onto the Trading 212 app to try and find it. But unfortunately, in the invest side of the app, you cannot find the ARK Invest ETFs, because unfortunately they are only actually available in the CFD side of things. So even for the guys over in the UK with their ISA accounts, you're not actually able to find it in there either, that it's actually only available in the CFD side of things. And that's what all of the actual ETFs as well. So ARKK, which is the one that I was most interested in, but they've got the space exploration one as well, their autonomous technology one, their fintech innovation one, genomics, and next generation internet. So they're all there, but they're unfortunately all in the CFD side of things. So I really am hoping that they will bring them out to the invest side of the app pretty soon as well. But yeah, obviously the CFD side of things is not something that I'm very interested in. I think it's, a lot kind of more risky way of investing. And I think the reason they've done this as well is just due to the kind of riskiness and volatility of ARK's funds, as, they do have extremely high returns. but the kind of companies that they're invested in at the minute, have massive potential for, dropping, anywhere from, 50 to 60% at any given time. So yeah, unfortunately not available on the invest side of the app for now, but it's good news that they're coming on to Trading 212. So, it's a good sign for the future. And hopefully at some point when, their fund maybe starts settling down a little bit and is less volatile, they may come to Trading 212 Invest. So super exciting times ahead, and it's good to know that Trading 212 has ARK on their radar, which is great, and it's exciting times for the future. But for now, I'm going to have to just continue buying my growth stocks individually and just monitoring what ARK are doing at the same time. But hopefully in time, the ARK Invest ETFs will become available on the invest side as well. So let me know down in the comments, are you invested in any of the same companies that are in ARK's ETF, and would you buy it if it was available in the invest side of the app as well? Let me know down in the comments. So thanks a million for watching, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.